Hi creators, welcome to a quick run-through of Autodesk University 2024. A great place to learn, create, be inspired, and celebrate. Join me at the Expo floor where so many companies are displaying their cutting-edge work. From sustainable architecture to rigging dragons and more. There was a great display of the Star Wars show Acolyte, including real props from the show, including the adorable Pip, original designs, and of course, I had to press the button. Wonder Studios was there and it was very cool. They demonstrated their tool. I even took a video with a robotic celebrity. AI, of course, made a big presence, including this variety of 3D printed chairs and a presentation on generated design. I stopped by some classes and learned a thing or two about digital twins. And to relax, I took a look at the art wall, played arcade like Pac-Man, which I wasn't very good at, but it was still a lot of fun. And of course, I had to stop by the dog park to say hello to the little cuties. Lots of swag to remember this event, and I found my favorite keychain. The main reason why I was there was for the Leadership Community Award from Autodesk. Thank you so much. What an incredible honor. Overall, an amazing time. Let's not forget to be inspired, make it enigmatic, make it catchy, make it fierce, and make anything.